Hi friends, how are you today? A lot of you have asked for a tutorial on how to make miffy, so here's a short video for you. I really hope this will help you make your own miffy charm. While I sculpt, let me tell you a short story. This story is based on a Chinese idiom that is about a rabbit, which I thought would be appropriate for this video. The Chinese idiom is 守株待兔 in Mandarin Chinese and 守株待兔 in Cantonese. It's a well-known idiom that is translated literally to mean waiting for rabbits under a tree. The story goes that during the Zhou dynasty, there was a farmer who was a very honest and simple man. He worked very hard, and although he wasn't well off, he still got by with life. On his farm, there is a big tree where he likes to lean against during his afternoon naps. One day, when he was about to take a nap, he noticed a rabbit hopping at a very high speed towards the tree. The rabbit was in such a rush that she did not notice the tree and crashed headfirst into the tree trunk. Sadly, she passed away. Seeing this, the farmer quickly went to grab the rabbit. He could not believe his luck. He was so happy to have been rewarded this delicious meal, so he packed away his farming tools and went home to cook the rabbit for him and his wife. After this day, the farmer thought to himself, "Wow, if I could get a dead rabbit just like this, I wouldn't have to work so hard on the farm anymore." From then on, the farmer stopped farming, hoping for another lucky day. So he sat beside the tree all day, hoping that another silly rabbit would come to him. However, day by day, no rabbit came, and the farmer was left starving because he had no harvest. In the end, he became the laughingstock in the village. The idiom 守株待兔 is used for describing those who often have wishful thinking of being rewarded by luck without putting in any effort. I hope you enjoyed this video and this short story. And as always, thank you for being here.